Start with the east trees. Fill the crates quickly. Yes, the crates are almost full. Good. Now load them for transport.
This cluster is at about 80% ripeness. Agreed. The size is medium, good yield. Okay, logging that for tree 05. The next tree has larger fruits.
The pH is 6.8. It's slightly acidic. Good. What about the nutrients? Nitrogen, phosphorus are optimal. Potassium is a bit high. So minor adjustments for the persimmons. Exactly. This branch is too thick. I'll use the saw. Yes, I'll trim these smaller ones here. Good. Keep the cuts clean and angled. Understood. This tool makes it easy.
These are perfect this year. Yes, they are. A good harvest.
This one has a perfect shape. Yes, and a good color. Checking the skin now. Firm texture, no blemishes. Excellent. Approved. Pressure is steady, line speed is optimal. Confirmed, no clogs in the drums. Let's run a quick rinse cycle. Rinse initiated, fruits are clean.
Line 3, keep the flow steady. Quality check on incoming fruits. Perfect, no blemishes. Trays are ready for sealing. Good, proceed to next batch. The inspection reports look good. Yes, and the phytosanitary certificate is ready. Good. Let's check the origin details. Country A is listed correct. Excellent. We're ready to proceed.
These persimmons look very fresh. Yes, the color is vibrant. Let's check the texture. Firm, but not too hard. The imported batch is consistent. Good. Let's look at the crate for uniformity. These persimmons are firm, good quality. Let me check. This one is ripe. Good size. It will sell well. Agreed. Let's get them. I'll arrange the crates. Yeah. Our fresh persimmons are perfect for this dish. Yes, their texture and sweetness are ideal. Slicing them thinly brings out the flavor. Exactly. They add a beautiful color. Let's plate them.
Persimmons are packed with vitamin A for vision and fiber for digestion. Exactly. They're also rich in antioxidants which fight inflammation and vitamin C to boost your immunity. A delicious way to support your health. Try adding them to your diet. The persimmon fruit weighs 150 grams. Slicing the fruit and extracting the pulp. Sample prepared. Beginning the centrifugation.
Welcome. Today we'll cover persimmon farming, from soil to harvest. First, site selection, well-drained soil and full sun. Drip irrigation is key for consistent moisture. We'll discuss growth stages and harvest next.
Observe the persimmon fruits. They need the right sun and water.
How do you know when to harvest?
They turn this deep orange color. We test for firmness.
Can we taste one?
Of course.
Welcome to our persimmon research greenhouse. Here, we optimize growth efficiency using genetic and environmental controls. Our data shows a 25% yield increase. The pressure is low. Let's adjust this valve. Agreed. It's affecting the trees. Turning it now. Good. The flow is improving. Perfect. Let's check the next one. Solar panels power this sustainable persimmon farm. Clean energy drives irrigation and harvesting. This eco-friendly approach yields fresh produce, a model for future agriculture.
This solar panel will power the whole irrigation system.
Good. Let's secure it before the heat gets too intense.
These pipes are laid out, ready to connect.
Excellent. This will boost our persimmon yield. The persimmons look very good this season. Yes, the yield will be higher than last year. The market prices are also good. They are. We should have a good profit.
This one has a good color, but is it soft enough? Let me feel. Yes, it's ripe. See how it gives? Perfect. This one is ready too. Let's pick more like these.
Our clean storage rooms preserve persimmon fruit freshness at optimal temperatures. Advanced climate control ensures ideal conditions for long-term storage. Reliable systems maintain quality from harvest to market.
Let's review the persimmon export stats. China leads at 5,200 tons, up 15%. India is promising with 12% growth. Agreed. Let's prioritize EU opportunities.
The persimmon fruit market is experiencing remarkable growth, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. Projections show a steady market value over the next decade. Fresh and dried products dominate, with significant opportunities in new categories.
Welcome. This conveyor belt sorts the persimmons by size and ripeness. How is the washing process managed? The water is continuously filtered and recycled for sustainability.
And the packaging? It's automated to preserve freshness.
Our persimmons need deep, infrequent water to grow strong roots. Yes, drip lines are best. They save water and reduce abrasion. We check the soil moisture daily and adjust the schedule. And use mulch to keep the soil cool.
Look at these persimmons, so perfectly ripe.
Yes, a true symbol of our harvest success.
The festival is alive with joy.
It honors the land's gifts and our traditions.
Look at all the orange fruits.
Yes, they're persimmons. This one is ripe. How can you tell? It's soft and the color is deep orange. Watch.
Can we pick one?
Of course.
Seal these crates tight for the Rotterdam shipment. Labels are on, ready for pickup. Loading the first crate now.
For our first dessert, a creamy persimmon panna cotta and the delicate persimmon tart, showcasing its natural sweetness. Both celebrate the versatility of this wonderful fruit.
Welcome. Today, we'll explore how persimmons can enhance a balanced diet. Look at this beauty. It's rich in vitamins A and C, great for immunity. It's also high fibers for your heart. So include them for better health.
These are the new persimmon fruit seeds. Note the uniform size. Impressive. What's the germination rate? Over 95%. And they're more drought resistant. Excellent. Let's test them in the field. Start with the east trees. Fill the crates quickly. Yes, the crates are almost full. Good. Now load them for transport. Right away, they're ready.
As per the protocols on the board, we check size and color first.
Understood. This sample looks promising.
Good. Now, let's verify the Brix level on this one. It's 19.2, well above the threshold.
Let's check the ripeness and sugar content on these persimmons. Agreed. I'll prepare the solution for the Brix test. Slicing this one now. The flesh looks firm. Good. I'll record the data.
Ready for the next one? Yes, hand it over. Stack them straight. This one's heavy. Done. Next. This batch of persimmons is export ready. Load them up. Copy that. Lifting now. Good. Double check the seals.
The persimmon market is primed for expansion,
Agreed, Asian demand is surging, as this chart shows.
and European markets are opening up. Let's identify key importers and strategize them.
Welcome to our persimmon workshop. Let's make a fresh salad. Slice the fruit thinly, toss them into the greens. Now for a simple dessert. Layer the slices, add cream, and garnish.
Welcome. Today we'll explore innovations in persimmon cultivation. Our key innovations include high-density planting and drip irrigation. These methods increase yield significantly, as shown at a 50% increase. Thank you.
Praise be, the harvest is abundant. Indeed, brother, a blessing from above. Let us give thanks to the orchard. A feast awaits. And to share our bounty.
Let's review the latest sustainability metrics for our persimmon production. Water usage is down 25%. That's a great improvement. Yes, and carbon emissions are trending downward steadily. Let's discuss how to maintain this for social health. Agreed.
Check this one for soft spots. Looks good, uniform color. Good, this batch is ready. Moving to the next crate.